Guys, I am rushing trying to get this car done. Oh my goodness, I got one more day after today. I still got a lot of stuff to put together, but we're gonna put on the LG Bullet door vents. I already put one on and I was just gonna show y'all. This is gonna be a short video, guys, so if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell, that way you don't miss any videos. We'll see y'all right after this short intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, man, as y'all can see, look, I got the weather stripping on. I put these on both sides. I can't record everything because it's crunch time. It's time to get this thing going. So I can't record everything, guys. But I want y'all to see how this is gonna look. So it looks pretty darn good. I still gotta wipe everything down in here, but it looks real good. Oop. They look real nice. Look at that. And it's got the brush look. Looks real good. And also, I ordered the whole kit from them guys. I'm not sponsored by them. I got the Bullet door locks, and then also the Bullet strikers. So it's gonna be nice. I gotta try to get all this car put together. Hopefully that sits. Please don't do that. Oh my goodness. That screw don't act right. I know how to make it work though, but I'll do that off camera. I'll make it work. She'll lock in there. That one locked in. This one is, there you go. It's locked in. So what y'all think about that? Looks pretty nice. And then we'll have the Bullet strikers in there. Bullet locks. I still got a lot of stuff to put on. I cleaned all this up, but it's getting back dirty because I'm working, trying to get everything knocked out and done. The new door handles, all that stuff. All this stuff need to come out, really. I don't even know why I got all this stuff in here. But yeah, we'll get it done, guys. Yeah, like I said, it was gonna be a short video. I'll kind of show y'all, well, it's dark out here, but I'm doing some touch-up work to the grill. Just fading the black end right there because they had painted purple and yellow all over that. I mean, whoever painted this car, they were just shooting paint everywhere. Got all this taped off, covered up because it was purple and yellow all over these. So that part looks good. Get ready to take that tape off and we'll put in the what are they called? But y'all know what I'm talking about. The molding, the metal piece that go right there. What else? Yeah, just do this whole front end. I gotta paint all the overspray. I gotta get all the overspray painted. And then we'll be ready to put the bumper on. I gotta cover all this. All of that's been rust treated, but it's gotta get covered. I got an antenna laying over there. I probably want to do a video on that. I gotta get the antenna in. And then I got a screen for the dash so we can read the LS. So that'll be a whole different video. But anyways, guys, y'all already know the routine. Hope y'all like the car. Short video. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.